Hello everyone, I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. It's Friday, that means it's date night. For those of you who might be new to my channel, several years ago, 14 years ago to be exact, I came up with the idea to compile a lot of different creative date ideas and different date ideas and put them together and make a book out of it. That way I can share it with my friends and family and whoever else might be struggling from time to time to come up with creative dates. So kind of the default date back in the day and even now is dinner and a movie. And I guess nowadays it's Netflix and chill. Don't do that. Say no to Netflix and chill. And do something more creative. Have fun. And it doesn't have to be expensive. In my book, I have all kinds of different categories from cheaper dates to extravagant dates to romantic dates to adventure dates, things of that nature. There's something for everyone, whether you're married or just started dating someone, or maybe it's a blind date. Definitely something for everyone. So that leads us to this date number 39, find your date. So for those of you who might like a bit of intrigue, a bit of adventure, solving puzzles, solving mysteries, maybe you're a big fan of like the Da Vinci Code, something like that. This date is right up your alley, I think. And it's for a group date idea. And what the idea entails is you create a bunch of different clues, and those clues will lead you to your date. And maybe it could be that like the girls get together and they create all these different clues for you, and you have to follow the clues, and eventually that will lead you to where the girls are. And then you can maybe like eat dinner or something like that, play games, whatever the case might be. Or, so it's kind of adventurous, or maybe it's just a couple that they're following clues to find the other couples. And the different activities that you do can be totally up to you. This is where you get the creative juices flowing. And it could be like something like, let's say the first clue is meet us at, or something, maybe like you just start with this piece of paper that says, to find the next clue, you have to go to the closest big M, or something like that, something like that. And then you think about it, that must be like McDonald's, the M from the arches on McDonald's. And then you go over there, and by the M, maybe you'll find an envelope or something like that, and you'll find another clue that leads you somewhere else. But it's actually a really fun thing to do, coming up with these different clues and the different activities that you can put around them. So that's just this date, short, easy. It could be totally free depending on what you do, and fun for everyone. Also, if you want to buy the book, I'll put a link down below on Amazon where you can buy it. There's a paperback version, there's an ebook version, or if you are a member of Kindle Unlimited, you can read it for free. Thank you for tuning in. I am Matt Taylor, and this is my variety channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Until next time, happy dating, everyone. Take care.